Hey guys, today I'm unboxing this Kingear video camera. So once you get it, it should look like something like this. Down here it says new, and this is made in China, and then it says HD with night shot. Then it says night shot. It says video camera, digital camera, if HD 1920 times 1080. It says max 24.0 and 16 times powerful zoom. So yeah, so let's go ahead and open it up, see what's inside, shall we? Once you open it up, it should look like something like this. The case, the camera's inside, instructions, HDMI cord, the remote, the AUX cord, you plug it up to the TV. The remote's for, so when you plug it up to the TV, then it will work. And the HDMI cord, so you can, same things, AUX, you put it on TV. And so yeah. So let's go ahead and open the camera up. Look at it. Here's the camera. It's a very nice camera. It says HD, high defect, 24.0. So let's turn it on. Open it up and turn it on. Very nice camera. Flip it around. You can do selfies. Turn it around and do selfies. And then you can do vlogs, stuff like that. And then down here, you can plug up to your stand, camera stand, and stuff like that. And then down here is where you open it up, has your SD card slot, and you close it up, and then it's a very nice camera over here. It's powerful. Power button. Hold it down. Turns it off. Mod, and it's up, and then down, and then menu. Click on menu, and stuff like that. And then menu again. And right here it says photo. This is zoom. Zoom in, zoom out. And there's microphone. Stuff like that. It's a very nice camera. And you guys should get one of these. And take your hand, hold it just like that, and you just videotape, so like that. So thanks you guys for watching.